Hello, welcome. Today I am making oatmeal breakfast bombs. It turns ordinary oatmeal into extraordinary oatmeal. By far the fanciest oatmeal I've ever made. You're going to want to start off by pouring 3/4 cup of maple syrup into a medium-sized saucepan and place it on medium heat until it reaches the hard crack stage on your candy thermometer, about 300 degrees. It takes about 20 minutes or so. And once it's reached that stage, you just want to pour a little bit of the mixture into a cup of cold water and then test it to make sure it has the consistency of hard candy. You want to work quickly once you pour your mixture into your silicone molds. I use the back of a spoon to slide the mixture up the sides. Let those set on the counter until they set, and then once set, carefully remove them from the mold. And one thing I forgot in the previous step is that the sugar mixture is extremely hot and can burn, so please be careful. Warm a pan and have it ready to place half of the sphere down so that it melts a little bit on the edge and becomes a glue to help your sphere stick together. With your other half sphere, you're going to fill it with quick oats and the toppings of your choice. I'm using a little brown sugar, some mini chocolate chips, some dried banana chips, and some shredded coconut. You can also use other types of sugars and other types of dried fruit or freeze-dried fruit. Place a little bit more of the quick oats on the other side and flip over and squeeze them together to form a ball. Pour over the steaming hot milk of your choice. Let it sit until the maple syrup sphere starts to dissolve a bit. Stir with your spoon until completely dissolved and let sit a little bit more until the oatmeal cooks a bit. Then you're ready to enjoy. Feel free to add additional toppings at this point. I hope you give this one a try.